Hey, good afternoon, guys. Chris here, TD Motion. So we have a one-barrel throttle body here on the bench, and this replaces the old 1100 series Ford carburetors, one barrel that you'd find maybe in the 170s, the 200 inline sixes. So, of course, the throttle body is going to be a lot more snappier throttle response, more consistent, and it's going to be a direct bolt-on. So let's just kind of give a overall anatomy here, not diving into too many details, but if we start maybe from the bottom and work our way around here. So we have the throttle blade itself. You can see here, this is the linkage, and this is going to mount directly onto a one barrel intake. That's the only requirement that you need. Of course, you need a good healthy engine, and this is good up to about 175 horsepower. You have, if you could see this on the side, that's going to be a vacuum port. And if we work our way around, well, this is the built-in ECU here, the throttle position sensor, and then you have the fuel inlet, and then the fuel dampener, pressure regulator, fuel outlet from there, the idle air control, and then, of course, you have all the wiring here, which really isn't that bad. You have a 10-pin connector, a 7-pin connector, and then you have the hookups for the handheld itself, the oxygen sensor, and the coolant temperature sensor. So there you have it.